everyone, I got two things to show you today. First is this tree in the background, and the second thing is I am no longer surrounded by a box which has been driving me nuts for a long time. So first of all, I will go into the remove the green or create the green screen behind you for free using your own camera. So I will demo that now, and I will show you here. So if you go to this link in the description, you will find down here, depending on your OS, the tool that you're going to download. So I basically took the x64 zip. Inside of that, you'll find two files, in which case you take those two files and you dump them into your repository of where your OBS Studio is. Then, maybe we'll get a bit of effect here. Once you go into setting up your camera, you can go into your camera itself and right click filters, and you'll find it on the lower end, background removal, and then you can do things like this, or you can make it all blurred. You know, it's quite common in Teams, but on OBS I haven't found anything as good as this. I would like to I would like to thank the creator, who is Roy Schildkrot, or Roy Schild. So yeah, thank you to him. He's helped a lot of people out, because this is the demo that you see when you actually get the video. So yeah, I just found this link straight away. Brings you to these sources here. Download, install in your OBS Studio. Done. Okay, you might need to restart afterwards. I haven't found that the installer didn't work for me initially. Okay, so on to something that I've done. I'm going to pause the other tree. So down on the bottom here, you will see that we have an animation, and the animation is the tree that we're looking at. It's really a little slow because I have so many things running simultaneously at the moment. But come on, get up there. Ah, there we go. Finally kicking in. So I ran an animation of this. So if you don't know, you run render animation. But the part that I want to talk about, because I don't do geometry nodes, I'm learning how to do it, and I was trying to improve upon what I had. You can see the tree being created on the left. So I made it so that the tree would grow. And it runs a lot smoother if you just change it out into this, or even onto this. Okay. So the tree leaves aren't amazing or anything like that, but you'll see here it runs a lot smoother. So geometry nodes, by the way, is up here, and I did have my own version going for a while, but I wasn't very good at producing content. So instead I just did it through Python, which I will also link in the description in the GitHub below. So yeah, I found that this is one of the best ways to do it for me, because I understand Python a lot better. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope that's useful, and see you again soon.